The fifth level was added on by Phillips. Return on investment, or ROI, is a ratio that tells us how much of a return the company gets for every dollar it invests in a training program. If we invest $10,000, we hope to get that much and more back by increasing sales and minimizing errors, for example. Although this data is extremely valuable to strategic leadership, very few companies evaluate training at this level because it requires a great deal of time, know-how, and data. ROI calculations are based on the monetary values of training costs and benefits, both of which can be identified through a cost-benefit analysis. Benefits include the results we just learned about. Direct costs include things like the cost of paying trainers to teach and trainees to learn, of creating and printing training materials, and of training facilities and travel. Indirect costs include things like the salaries of support staff and the cost of a learning management system. We've covered the 5 levels of the Kirkpatrick-Phillips model. Imagine you had information about what trainees thought about a program, how much they learned and transferred to the job, how the organization benefited, and how much those benefits are worth. Armed with all of this data, you could align the program so that it helps people do their jobs better and has a valuable impact on the organization as a whole.